Your Honor, this is... First of all, I'd like to know the name of the counsel. This is a scandalous submission from the same person.
Mr. Cuxell, just sit down, please.
Your Honor, I'd like to say something in response.
No, just sit down. The issue has been raised in relation to mobile devices. Do you have any mobile device on?
I have mobile devices.
Is it on?
Yes.
Switch it off, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Is the court checking everybody's devices?
It has been raised by counsel. Counsel seems to have a concern that you might be recording proceedings illegally.
Completely ill-founded.
I don't know whether it's ill-founded or not, but that's the concern that's been raised.
Well, I'd like the court to recuse itself now because...
No, I'm not recusing myself. It's nothing improper about raising. If counsel has a...
It is, Your Honor, because he has raised no basis to justify that allegation. The allegation is made.
He hasn't made an allegation. He's simply asking.
It is an allegation. It's an allegation, but Your Honor just pointed out the nature of the allegation, that I may be recording the proceedings illegally.
Mr. Cuxell, it is a requirement of this court that mobile devices be turned off. Counsel simply pointed that out and just asked that your device be turned off.
It's not, Your Honor, because the internet wouldn't work if the device is.
Yes, I must say, there's limits. Counsels frequently have mobile devices on in order to access Wi-Fi.
My mobile is off, Your Honor.
Yes, and mine is turned off, Your Honor.
Yeah, but you're also a liar who misleads the court.
Right, Your Honor. It's my submission that this application be brought to its end right now.
Mr. Cuxell, you know I have certain powers.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And I ask you to bear that in mind.
You also have responsibilities.
Indeed.
Your Honor, it's my submission, in the interest of the administration of justice, that this mention be brought to an end here and now. Mr. Cuxell is asserting from, he has turned up late, as is a habit of his. He has not provided an adequate explanation for his lateness. He has provided to the court, despite the court's order, in the face of that he's not compliant.
Your Honor, he's wasting time.
I'm making a submission.
I'm trying to make.
He is wasting time.
All right.
He has not complied with the court's order, and I'm now.
Your Honor, he's wasting time. He knows that we have.
I have made my application, Your Honor, and this matter ought to be adjourned to the committal date. That's the appropriate order to make.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, I simply point out in 30 seconds.
Mr. Cuxell.
That this is the same person who had fought the provision of the disclosure certificate in circumstances where he had made misleading submissions to the court and he is stalling.
And in paragraph 3 you've indicated that counsel. I presume it's Mr. Cuxell that's indicated that it may be his intention to add counsel's name to proceedings if statutory obligations are breached. When was that?
I think he made that comment at the last hearing, and I took a contemporaneous note of that.
Yes.
Since the last hearing, two further names of counsel who appeared at that hearing have been. I understand leave has been sought to add them since the last hearing.
That's wrong. That's wrong.
Your Honor, I don't have those firm details, but I understand that it's in the works.
I grant the application under S-136 of the Magistrate's Court Act for the reasons that have been articulated in the submissions of counsel made on behalf of the Victorian Government Solicitor's Office.
As Your Honor pleases.
As Your Honor pleases.